My name is JAGi. Some of you may know me as JAGi. I'm here to walk you through how to use our brand new website. I love how fast it is. Our web developer used a new coding language, so it's a little different than our old site. For that reason, none of the info from the previous site was able to be ported over, so everybody has to register for a new account. We've got your data saved and can access it at any time if you need. So let's start over from scratch. We'll register here. Pay attention to the username and password that you enter because they're both case sensitive. You're going to enter your info here. Make sure we've got a good contact number and email address where we can reach you for repair suggestions and order updates. Make sure you give us the address you'd like us to ship your packages to. Okay, great. You're registered and ready to enter your first order. In the upper left-hand corner, you see Orders, Billing, and Support. Click Orders. Here's my order history so far. I can click into any of these to take a peek at orders I've entered previously. I want to enter a brand new one, so we'll click this button here. If you've seen one of our ads in a trade publication or met us recently at a show, or you have another promo code, you can enter that here. Now we're in the order main screen. There's nothing added to it yet, so we'll jump right in by adding an item. Here you can input a description, your inventory number, and upload a photo if you choose. Hit save, and it takes you to the item page within this order. You have no services added to it yet. If you click this drop-down menu, let's go with the classic card cert. There you are. You'll see the service and pricing here. This is the regular full cert price. Send us 21 items to reach affiliate status, and all your card cert services will be discounted from that point forward. All right, keep going. If you want a jewelry box, web photos, this field down here, if you click Add Repair, you can type into this box whatever crazy repair or custom work you want done on this piece, or enter comments and questions. Like, should this stone go to GIA? Or size ring to 7.5. Okay, we're done with this item. You can click the back arrow or the hyperlink here to get back to the order main screen, where you can keep on adding items until your order is complete. Once you're done, this button here, View Invoice and Shipping Form, will display your order in a printer-friendly format. You can print this and add it to your shipment as a packing slip. Entering your own orders and including the packing slip makes it much faster for the lab to take in your order and get started. I know you all are super busy, so let's wrap it up. If you go to Billing in the upper left-hand corner here, you can click into any orders that are complete and ready to be paid. You can click the Pay Invoice button and it will take you to our Stripe payment processor. If you want to view the invoice again, you can click back and take a look at the itemized order. Lastly, if you experience any issues or something weird is happening, you can reach out at any time. You can call the lab or message us during business hours, but you can click on the Support tab to start a support ticket anytime. It'll notify us via email that you need help or have a question, and we'll respond as soon as we see the message. That's it. Pretty straightforward, I think, but any feedback, comments, questions, or concerns are welcomed and appreciated. I'll let you guys get started entering your order.